everybody, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna speak about word formation, about some nouns, the pronunciation, and examples about those nouns. Let's get started. Word formation refers to the ways in which new words are formed on the basis of other words or morphemes. There are four main kinds of word formation. One of them is adding suffixes. The main purpose of a suffix is to show what class of word it is. For example, noun or adjective. We can make nouns from verbs, verbs from nouns. We can make adjectives from verbs. For example, improve is a verb. By adding the suffix ment, we can make a noun, improvement. Teach is a verb. By adding the suffix er, we can make a noun, teacher. There are some noun-forming suffixes in English. If we know them and if we know the stem of the word, we can easily understand, recognize the meaning of the word. For example, discover is a verb. And if we add the suffix y, we can make a noun, discovery. But there are some nouns which are formed not only by suffixes. There are also some changes in letters, in stems. Let's speak about some of those nouns. To expand. Expand. It's a verb. To become greater in number, size, or importance. You can expand your knowledge through reading these books. The noun form is expansion. Expansion. This book is an expansion of my business knowledge. Absent. Absent. It's an adjective. Not in a place because of illness or something else. She was absent from the work. The noun form is absence. We remove t and add a suffix. Absence. It happened in my absence. Present. Present. It's an adjective, means happening or existing now. What's your present purpose? The noun form is presence. Presence. We remove t and add a suffix. Your presence makes me feel happy. Convenient. Convenient. It's an adjective, means very easy, quick or useful to do. My way of learning English is more convenient than yours. The noun form is convenience. Convenience. It's a great convenience to have my work so near. Confident. Confident. It's an adjective, means feeling sure about your own ability to do things and be successful. The noun form is confidence. Confidence. Means feeling that you can trust in, be sure about the abilities or good qualities of somebody. I have confidence in my students' abilities. Necessary. Necessary. It's an adjective, means that's needed for a purpose or reason. It seems necessary for us to meet. The noun form is necessity. Necessity. They were discussing the necessity of employing more staff. Invade. Invade. It's a verb, means to enter a country, town, using military force in order to take control of it. They invaded the country in March. The noun form is invasion. Invasion. The invasion happened on April 15. Decide. Decide. It's a verb, means to think carefully about the difference of possibilities that are available and choose one of them. For example, I decided I want to live abroad. The noun form is decision. Decision. I am bad at making decisions. Strong. Strong. It's an adjective, means having physical power. He has strong muscles. The noun form is strength. Strength. I pushed against the heavy door with all my strength. To die. Die. Stop living. It's a verb. She died suddenly last week. The noun form is death. Death. She went abroad after her husband's death. Long. Long. It's an adjective measuring or covering a distance. She has long yellow hair. The noun form is length. Length. This room is twice the length of the kitchen. To pronounce. Pronounce. It's a verb, means to make the sound of a word or letter in a particular way. Most students can't pronounce these words correctly. The noun form is pronunciation. Pronunciation. Your pronunciation is perfect. Private. Private. It's an adjective, means not public, belonging to a particular person or group. It was my private business. The noun form is privacy. Privacy. The state of being free from the attention of the public. They need the right to privacy. So at the end of the video, I have advice. Try to expand your vocabulary. It's very necessary. Pronounce the words correctly. The pronunciation is very necessary. And trust in your strength. See you next time. Take care.